next part is introduction. This study's objective was to calculate the pavement condition index for the entire route. The PCI is computed by deducting points for each distress based on the type and degree of the distress, starting with a perfect score of 100. PCI has several benefits and applications. The literature review has 4 contents, which are flexible and rigid pavement. The second one is surface cost, which is wearing cost and binder cost. The third one is base cost, and the last one is sub-base cost. The next part is common factors that happen on flexible pavement. The first factors are shorter lifespan than rigid pavement. Besides that, when maintenance frequently required, it will drive up the cost. Furthermore, the edges are weak and itself required curb structures or aging. The last factors that happen in flexible pavement is its openness to oil stains and damage than other chemical.
The Pavement Condition Index PCI method uses a visual inspection of the pavement to calculate the Pavement Condition Index value for pavement. PCI to assess the efficiency of the road infrastructure and service level because it is widely used in asset management and transportation civil engineering. Pavement distress have 3 categories, which is fracture, distortion, disintegration. There are many types of pavement defect, for example, fatigue cracking, transverse cracking, edge cracking, bleeding, depression, and so on.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nabilah Binti Ruslan and my matrix number is DF220210. Okay, so for the research methodology, first, we need to study the project instruction and we need to interact each other in group discussion. Second, we need to identify 1 km road for study area which we have chose Jalan Parit Highland which is in Parit Raja. Third, identify the road failure, either bleeding, patching, pet holes, depression or others. And then we need to gather all of the information for the PCI index. Fourth, we need to compute the PCI result and obtain the graph based on the result. Lastly, after all the data and the graph has been done, we need to proceed to do the final report. So here is our exact location for our study area which is Jalan Parit Highland in Parit Raja.
My name is Aida Fatiha Shahruddin. My matrix number is DF220140. Result and analysis. We have divided 10 sample units with 1 meter along 1 kilometer of Jalan Parit Highland. From the 10 sample units, 5 of them was chosen to be conducted a pavement inspection. To calculate the pavement condition index (PCI), first we need to determine the distress density and the deduct value. Second, find the maximum allowable number of deduct M using the formula M equal to 1 plus 9/98 multiplied by 100 minus HDV. HDV is the highest deduct value. Then, we need to find the maximum corrected deduct value CDV using the total deduct value TDV versus CDV graph. Last, determine the pavement condition index PCI using the formula PCI equal to 100 minus CDV maximum. For unit sample 1, we got PCI 82, which lies in satisfactory condition. The PCI for each sample unit is as follows. Sample unit 1, satisfactory condition with PCI 82%. Sample unit 2, good condition with PCI 76%. Sample unit 3, poor condition with PCI 50%. Sample unit 4, poor condition with PCI 52%. And the sample unit 5, satisfactory condition with PCI 74%. The average PCI for the section is 66.8.
Hi, my name is Maisarah Binti Mohamad Nabi and my matrix number is DF220125. Next, I will explain about our discussion of the project. Based on the inspection conducted of the road, sample 2, sample 1 and sample 5 is in satisfactory condition and sample 3 and 4 is in poor condition. The average PCI for the section is 66.8%, which means it is in fair condition for vehicles. Numerous road segments require immediate maintenance due to their road conditions. The road can still be utilized if it is maintained and can still be enhanced with regular road upkeep. There is no requirement for reconstruction because not all sections of the road require significant maintenance. In order to improve the PCI value of the road, regular maintenance such as crack sealing, pothole repair and pavement patching can help to prevent or limit damage to the pavement surface. There are some treatment suggestions for different types of distress. For lane or shoulder drop-off, it is a condition where the edge of a road significantly drops off from the main roadway. The treatment that we can use in order to repair the road is by repairing the edge of roadway involves filling in the voids. The most common method of repair is by adding aggregate material to the edge of the road to create a smooth transition from the roadway to the shoulder. For alligator cracking, these cracks are interconnected and form a series of irregularly shaped blocks on the pavement. Treating alligator cracking requires removal of the damaged area, repair of the road base, installation of new asphalt pavement, adding proper drainage and application of a seal coat. For edge cracking, it refers to the formation of cracks along the edge of the pavement, usually near the shoulder of the road. Edge cracking should be filled using either a hot or cold patching material, depending on the severity of the cracking. The patching material fills the spaces between the pavement edge and the shoulder material to prevent further cracking.
For conclusion, this chapter discussed the significance of analyzing data from tracked road section and providing suggestions for road maintenance to address tracking issue. Students will learn to use PCI form and record damage on paper, enhancing their understanding of road defect. The article is preserved for future reference. According to our analysis of this project, sample 1 and 2 PCI rating is satisfactory condition and liver service of B. Sample 3, 4 and 5 PCI rating is poor condition and liver survey of D.